Alright, so I picked up a Sandblast cabinet off of Craigslist for 20 bucks, but it's not perfect. Now beyond the faded paint on it, because it's been sitting outside in the Texas sun for a couple years, it's also got some weirdness going on with these gloves. They basically melted in here, I assume due to the greenhouse effect in the hot sun. It got so hot in here it melted the rubber on these. So I need to replace these, and then we're gonna try and hook this thing up. So first steps of doing that is undoing this giant hose clamp that holds these things on. They just slide right off like that. Save that hose clamp. Alright, then I got new gloves from my local Harbor Freight. Because they're cheap, man. For like 30 bucks, I got new gloves. So, in the bag, opening up the bag, the aroma, it smells just like Harbor Freight. So here they are. Go ahead, I'll pull off the one for the right hand side, this guy here. Stick my little ring over the top of this. Sort of stick the sleeve over the top here. Slide it all the way back, all the way around here. And I should be able to slide this right over the top and tighten it back down again. Alright, look at that, how easy, a new glove on there. I'm gonna do the same for the other one over here. And now we got gloves again, yeah! Alright, and then I want to stick a new hose in through here to supply air. And then we need to hook that up to my gun here. So I need a little quick disconnect here. So I got my quick disconnect. Stick this guy on here, and because these are brass, they should seal up without a problem without adding any Teflon tape. Alright, and with that on there, go ahead and connect it to my gun. Alright, and then let's see if I can sandblast this camshaft here. And yeah, the Sandblast cabinet totally works. So for 20 bucks off Craigslist, I'm super happy. It even came with Sandblast media, the sand, so bonus. The gloves, I think those are like 25 bucks to get the gloves, which is kind of more expensive than my typical Harbor Freight purchase, but I'm happy with them. They're nice little gloves, they work great, and I'm happy to have a Sandblast cabinet for like less than 100 bucks with media and everything. So we're super happy with that. Hope this video helps somebody, and we'll see you next time.